Hello, good day with this creative events platform. Today I will be showing you how I use these roses and this little art together with this art wire that I wrap. This is the size I want, so I wrap it with the color of net I want to use. I'm just going to show you how I make my Hatinator from this. So the first thing I will do is I'm going to cover the art wire. Use my thread and needle. Just going to use my needle and thread and tie it. So I just pass it through under, then I'll tie. Alright, after tying it properly, I cut off the excess material. And I'll get this. This is what I'll get. So after which I'll decide which of these sides I want to use, either to use this part or the smooth part. Actually, you can use any of them. You can use the smooth part, you can use the rough part. Both parts are beautiful. So after getting this, the next thing I will do is I'm just going to place this piece of art on it. Can you see? Alright, so I'm just going to work with needle and thread to attach this piece of cap to the net. I'm just going to attach it. I'll use needle and thread and sew it round, sew every part of it round, after which I'll cut off the excess from the inside. That will now give space for the cap itself. After sewing it round carefully, as you see, is that I'm going to trim it off. I'm just going to trim this part off, which will give space for the cap itself to be seen. Okay, I'll work with scissors. So after trimming, this is what I'll get. You see, you have access to the cap itself, and just that the next thing I'll do is place the roses on it, which is this side. I chose this side. So I'm just going to use the candle gum, use it to attach this. After which I'll just fix the hairband to it, and I'm done. I'll make sure I apply enough of the glue to it so that it won't pull off easily. So I'm starting from this point to place. Okay, make sure it's sitting properly, make sure it's well arranged. So as you can see, I have fixed the roses. So this is the look of the art. I'll fix my roses. The next thing I'll do is I'm going to fix the band. I'm going to attach the band to it with the help of the candle gum. So as you can see, I've attached the band to it. I've attached the band using my candle gum. Okay, this is the finishing of the Hatinator. Very simple to make. Within 5 to 10 minutes you are done. Look at how beautiful it is. Once again, this creative events platform. See you in our next video. Subscribe to our channel, and thanks for stopping by. Have a nice day. Bye.